you Nigerians in diaspora or Nigerians at home, and you have been looking for the best or the right moment to invest in one of the fast regions in Lagos State, Nigeria? December is one of the best moments or one of the best months to invest in Lagos State right now, because December is when smart investors, Nigeria and diaspora, invest in real estate, because January price increases 100% guarantee. Welcome to Micasa, Lagos. We're having a special discount on this Micasa Lagos right now, and just for limited time and for limited plots. So I'd like to please stay tuned, relax, as I'm going to take you on the drone footage to give you proper details about this great property here in Eleranigbe, Ibeju, Lekki. In Lagos, December is one of the most strategic periods to invest. Diaspora funds are flowing. Developers offer year-end discounts. Estate rollout final price slash. Demand for 2026 off-plan projects increases. Smart investors position early for next year appreciation. Whether you are in Nigeria or in the diaspora, this is your chance to own a buy and build property, verified title land, expand your property portfolio today. This is proper drone footage of Micasa, Lagos, located right here at Eleranigbe, Ibeju, Lekki, just adjacent Lekki Havana Bungalow and Resort Phase 2 here in Eleranigbe, and less than 4-minute drive off Lekki Ekpe Expressway. Every property you secure this December is guaranteed to appreciate faster in 2026, because markets don't wait, but winners move early. If you want verified properties, secure documentation, fast appreciating investments, high growth locations, Micasa Lagos tick all this box. Micasa Lagos is located in the midst of the great landmarks right here in the North Dubai of Africa, Ibeju, Lekki. Just less than 5-minute drive from Lekki approved international airport. So this is a Lekki Havana that you are looking at over there. Like I said, just adjacent Lekki Havana Phase 2 right here in Eleranigbe, Ibeju, Lekki. And this road is going to connect you back to, Lekki approved international airport, and going back towards, or Lekki Phase 1, Ikorodu, VI, different parts of mainland in Lagos State, Nigeria. Also, at the other side of the Lekki Ekpe Expressway, we have Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, and close by to, Lekki Deep Sea Port, Fit Zone, and Dangote Refinery, and also close by to Alaro City along Lekki Ekpe Expressway. So we are giving 3 million discount on this Micasa Lagos now, and the promo is going to end before the end of this month of December, just for limited time and for limited plot. Right, a plot is going for 35 million for pre-launch promo price, but because of the promo that we are running now, we are giving 3 million discount on Micasa now. So that means you are going to pay 32 instead of 35 million naira. You can pay within 3 months without interest, and we have 6 months payment plan and up to 1 year payment plan. Our 300 square meter is going for 19.4 million naira, while the 1,000 square meter for commercial is going for 80 million naira. All inclusive, not like hidden charges. With 5 million, I can secure a plot of residential, and with 10 million, I can secure a plot of commercial right here before price increase or everything sold out. And you're going to enjoy beautiful amenities right here at Micasa, Lagos. So please don't miss this great offer right here at Micasa, Lagos. For more information inquiry, give me a call right now, and please remember to subscribe my channel, like, share, and drop a comment below, and put on the bell notification so that I'll be the first to notify whenever I come with this great real estate investment opportunity here in Lagos State and outside Lagos State, Nigeria. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to share to your loved ones.